play a round of MM2 with me. Guys, I got Robux. What are they talking about? I got Robux, so I'm not a bacon anymore, guys. Yay. Okay. You shower. There's so many weird people. There are so many weird people in MM2 these days. The map's loading. Let's see. No, I'm always innocent. Oh, I saw someone peek there. No. Or clear. I'm not doing this today. Hello? No. I just got in the darn. Hello. If I was just playing by myself and I wasn't recording, I would just stay here and hide the whole time. But for you guys to be entertained, I have to risk it. I have to risk my life. Oh no. I think I'm changing my mind. No, actually, I want to see who the murderer is. MM2 is like a horror game now. People just jump scare you out of nowhere. RK? No, I'm not going in there. I don't trust anyone in there. Okay. It's a bit too quiet. No. I heard something. And I ain't going deaf yet. Oop. I heard the sheriff. The drama's going up. Oh no. Guys, oh my god, stop getting in my face.
Oh my god.
No. Why is he chasing? No, bro.
Hey, I was invisible. Cool.
I don't feel so good.
Well, that's the end of the video. I was in love with an emo girl. I'm innocent again, guys. I'm innocent. Girl. No, I can't. No. I'm not cut out for this. I'm 50 years old. And oh no. Oh, and I live in oh, what? I didn't even get to play. Okay, next round. Still innocent, guys. No. I don't trust anyone. No. Okay. Away from all the meanies who don't want me to survive. Why did I already... No. This cannot be another short round. No. Why did I get stuck in the door? No. Okay, hold up. No. Wait, hold up. No. She's the murderer. No. Guys. And that's the end of the video. Okay, we're going to play one more round. Because we've already played 3. But I died in like all of them. We're gonna bring ourselves back, okay? And I've been innocent in all of them as well. I like factory. Okay, we're gonna lock in, guys. And let's manifest I get murderer or sheriff. Actually, no, not sheriff. I suck at sheriff. Murderer. And look what happens. And look what happens. I get sheriff. What? I didn't know that we died when we shot someone who wasn't... Okay, one more round. I was in love with an emo girl. Ooh, girl. Where is your eyebrows? We've got some beef going on with the emo kid and the girl that has too much lip filler and no eyebrows. Oh, yeah, she is the murderer. Okay. Shoot her. Oh, yeah. Please give me murderer. If it doesn't give me murderer this round, then we're just gonna keep on going until I get murderer. Keep on going. I have such a stuffy nose today, guys. I'm sorry if you hear obnoxious sneezes, but that's me. Oh my god, I got murderer. Oh my god, I got murderer. Finally, bro. I can do something I'm good at. I have to hide from people because, like, you know, like, what if they're the sheriff? Like, what if they're the sheriff? Oop. What? The emo kid killed me. Okay, that's actually the end of the video now. Bye, bumblebees, and have a good day, and pray for me, and I am still 50 years old. Bye.